Welcome to Tactical Expedition. Today I'll be reviewing and installing AJT design 4Runner key fob. So I have a 2017 4Runner TRD Pro in cement color, and this is the cement color that I bought. So something you should know is that AJT Designs LLC.com or something like that. He's the maker of this key injection fob. It's very high quality and comes with the buttons and the screws, and soon I will review them. But I guess on Amazon and their website, AJT Designs LLC.com or something, and Amazon, eBay, they no longer have TRD logo right here, right? So today is November 15th, 2018, and I bought it. And the place I found was Longo Toyota in El Monte. I take my car here to get it serviced or oil change or tire rotation. And I remember just browsing through the part department and saw these key injection fobs. They have for Tundra, Tacoma, and 4Runners, and they all have TRD logo on them. So before it's too late, they have the last TRD, logoed key fob. So I'm gonna try to. So anyways, so this is originally $34.99. I know it's pricey, but it's better than this crap. I mean, this seems like key from 1990s. You know, who has these keys anymore? I don't know. Toyota have to update their key. But anyways, it comes with the sticker. I think they shouldn't waste their money on the sticker. Anyways, it says do not use the thread locker, Loctite on injection, because I guess it kind of melts the plastic. So that's that. And the instructions found online. And that's that. Okay, so it comes with the screws and the Allen wrench or Allen key and the buttons. So on my other video, what I'm gonna do is after this successful install, hopefully, because a lot of the 4Runner owners complain on the forum that their chip is broken because it's hard to take it out. I'll show you soon, but it is glued on tight. Okay, so basically after the install, this key will be no longer functioning. So and it will be hacked to pieces, unfortunately. But I mean, I don't care because I have another set of keys and I have a valet key. So that's that. So hopefully I can get this. So simple thing is there's a little groove right here. So you just turn and pop it. It's that easy, okay? And that's done. Save that because it has your FFC ID number, IC number, and some code. So I'm sure you might need it later on or whatever, but I don't know. And basically this thing pops out easily. This is like part of the buttons and all that, okay? So then there's a little rubber piece. You're not gonna use that. And then all these buttons that you won't be using. So that's all you need. And basically this right here, I have to cut it out because it's glued in. Then I have to break this apart, cut it out, and then put this in this area right here. Okay, see? Hopefully I can do this. If not, I don't know what's gonna happen. Okay, so I'm gonna use the key as a holding device, and now I'm gonna cut this to pieces. It'll be better if you have some razor blades or X-Acto knives. So anyways, hopefully everything goes well. So basically I have to break this piece. I have to just cut it out, okay? So let's just cut this out. I'm gonna break this down. Okay, so it's much easier than your hands. Just break that part. Yeah, because the whole point is you want to get that out. So who cares about this key over here? So, okay, so I got that now. All right, so I got to this point. So hopefully I can get that out. It's been maybe 5 minutes. Okay, so I'll be back. So I cut this side right here close so I can see the wall now. It's open on that side for now. So I was scraping this side and then cutting this side out now. This thing peeled back. So I can see this rectangular thing in there, but it's all glued. So you just have to break it slowly. Now I'm not sure if this is successful operation or not. So at this point, I got to this level. That's pretty good. So it's like dog chewed on something, huh? I get that. Ridiculous. Why is everything so hard, you know? Okay, so I kept peeling and peeling and peeling. Peeling this way, peeling this way, peeling this way. And now, oh yeah, it came out. Oh my gosh. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so it looks like that. What is this? Gosh. Anyway, so I'm gonna just scrape it. Hopefully I didn't damage it because it's gonna be pricey. Oh man. Okay, so it just took me like 10 minutes, easy. But you just have to, you know, put this in, like peel it a little bit, put this in, peel it. It'll make some noise because you're breaking the glue. And then if you need some strength, grab it with a plier or, you know. Anyways, so I'm gonna scrape this. Okay, so I'm just gonna do the test fit right here. Yeah. Oh, okay, so it fits. Good. Okay, so it fits. Perfect. Oh, hell yeah. So then they said I have to scrape this out. Let's do this. So we'll just cut this in the easier way. So what you do is you push it in with a sharp edge, and then kind of peel it up, and then grab the plier and just peel it back, little by little. That's what I'm doing. So, plier will give you superhuman strength. Okay, so you can't go no longer. So then, again, sharp edge in. Now I need another method. Okay. So did you see it? Okay, I just peeled it. Oof. Okay. Now let's see if it fits. Okay, it's a perfect fit. So just make sure this goes in all the way. So I'll just hit it in. Oh, let's take this off for a little bit. You don't want to damage that, right? So make sure it's flat, right? There's no gap. Make sure there's no gap right there, okay? And then just pop it in. So let's put this back. I don't know if there's a thicker side. Just put it in all the way. Then, came with the black buttons. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna replace one of the buttons to red. So I'm gonna order it from AJC Design. So that's that. One side is, so this one, I'm gonna make this, you know, how you make your alarm go off. I'm gonna make that into red. So I'm gonna order that soon. But that's the easy part. Oh. It's like putting a puzzle together. Okay, well, that's nothing. So I guess we got everything here. Let's just put that in and close this. Okay, the other way. Okay. Okay, perfect. It's a perfect fit. Turn it around. Put 4 screws in. You know, you can have different color screws, but for cement color, I thought this combo is the best. Black on black, but I didn't have a choice because I bought it at Longo Toyota with a TRD logo on it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna order the red button right there. That's that. Okay, looks real nice. Oh, it's a lot more sturdy. So that's nice. Hopefully it works. So let's go test it. And on his site, he has a link to the site where this other guy sells little sticker that goes into the grooves. I think it's a vinyl sticker that goes in. So I'm gonna get the red TRD sticker. I think he gives you 3 for $5. And it's expensive, but I just have to do it. And then I gotta get one button right here. So let's see if it works, okay? All right. Okay, so here you go. It's moment of truth. That's my 4Runner. This is the TRD key. Okay. Oh my God, come on. Ah, it works. You see the red light? Okay, locks, unlocks. I did it. Okay, so just follow what I did. It's easy. Okay, it's not that hard. Anybody can do it. Thank you. If you like my video, I know it's amateur, but please like my video and subscribe. Thank you. See you on the next one.